So I've been getting a lot of questions on how I get my horses calm for different maneuvers. And there's a lot of different ways to do it, a lot of different ways to desensitize, way to get them calm and comfortable with you. One of my tools that I really like to use is the tarp. It's crunchy, it's flappy, it's scary. It hits a lot of those things that are gonna scare a young horse. And I don't want them just to say, oh, I'm not scared of a tarp. I'm really teaching them confidence to think through the situation and how they're going to respond to me and how we're going to work through this together. So I have Charmin here. She's never really worked the tarp before. She's really calm 2-year-old. She's seen it maybe once, but she's going to help me show you how I work through some of these things to get her used to it. The first thing I'm going to do, she's not really looking at it, so I'm going to walk her over to it. I'm going to let her see if she wants to sniff it. Preferably not eat it. Just walk across it. Great. And then I'm going to walk her right up and bring her as close as she can when she's comfortable. She's totally comfortable with it. If I have a horse that's only comfortable being another 10 foot back or so, that's what we're going to stand. But I want them to stand here, look at the tarp, and be thinking about it while I'm rewarding them. Because when I take pressure off, that's here. The scary thing, that's where we lose all of the pressure. She gets to stand and relax. So if I walk up to it and she stands on it or kicks it, that's what we're going to reward. Now, it's okay if they sniff it. I don't want to buy a tarp every week, so I kind of prefer they don't chew on it. But so I'm going to lead her over it a couple times, make sure she's comfortable, stay close enough that she's still thinking about it. She'd really like to go check out that grass over there. But if she's going to be really cool with it like that, I want to build her confidence. So she's okay following me over the tarp. I'm not scared of the tarp. I'm totally comfortable with the tarp. So she's going to draw that confidence from me. To see really how confident she is with it, what I want to do is ask her to take herself over it. Really, really wound up 2-year-old, as you can tell. So I'm going to let her walk up to it. I'm not going to push her. That's show me that she really is comfortable with it. She doesn't just need me to take her over it. Let's wake her up a little bit. So I'll take her over a little bit faster. After they go, less time I have to think about it. Too concerned with thinking. And that's just something I like to see with my young horses especially. Shows she's confident, she's a thinker, she's not going to take off if somebody's grandma opens their umbrella. So I'm just going to let her. And if she wants to stop on the tarp, awesome, we'll settle for that.